how to recover hacked Snapchat accounts. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can recover your hacked Snapchat account. So if your Snapchat account has been hacked, here are some steps which you can take to attempt to recover it. Now if you still have access to your account, immediately change your password to a strong, unique one that you haven't used before. This can help prevent the hacker from accessing your account further. So when you have to do is log in into your Snapchat account and then tap the Bitmoji icon from the top right hand side corner, and from here go to your gear icon, and then you'll be able to see the settings page. Go to password, and the first thing you have to type in the password. You'll be asked to create a new one, and when you actually create a new one, it's going to ask you to log out of all the devices that your account is currently logged in. If you're sure about it, then tap the yes button, and you need to log in with the same username but a newly created password. After that, you can also enable two-factor authentication on your Snapchat account. So if you haven't already, this adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code sent to your phone number or email address when you log in from a new device or location. So basically, for that you need to add phone number. Along with that, you need to add an email address, and with that you've successfully set up two-factor authentication. If you're unable to follow any of these, then you can reach out to the Snapchat support team for assistance, and you can do this through the app or by visiting the Snapchat support website. Provide much information as possible about your account and the situation as well. Or else you can also review your account settings and reset activity to see if there are any unauthorized changes or actions. Look for unfamiliar login, changes to your profile information, or messages sent from your account that did not authorize as well. If you believe your account was hacked due to phishing, scam, or other malicious, report to the Snapchat and consider reporting it to relevant authorities as well. This can help prevent other from falling victim to the same attack as well. So remember to stay vigilant about your account security and to take proactive measures to protect it from future hacking attempt as well. This can include regularly updating your password, enabling two-factor authentication, and being cautious about sharing personal information online as well. In this way, you can recover your hacked Snapchat account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.